Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to set up Canva for the first time in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Play Store on your device, and then in the search bar of Google Play Store you can simply search for Canva. Then hit Go or Enter on your keyboard and then hit Install right next to Canva. If you've already installed Canva on your device, you can skip this step, head straight over to the app drawer and search for Canva in the search bar and then open Canva. Once you're inside Canva, you can continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or hit continue with another way. If you hit continue another way, then you can find all the different options to continue with over here. You can also continue with work email if you do not want to continue with anything else. You can enter your work email over here and then hit continue to head over to create your account. If you already have an account with Canva, simply tap on if you already have an account on Canva, then you'll automatically be logged in, else you'll be sent to the sign up page. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.